Chitariki ya merongo ebere mutienyu gatano na kabiro mwaka wechirubere ne merongo ebere na inye amwanchumurelia Ondizi TV andonsi sotutengerete ninde no kwegena nga nigo endete gutwara lituko ligia semaite nga bange nigo baba kogenda sigesa simero lituko lya rero asikulinde nimbe ukomanyia bunaberega gwate korwa chinsa chia mambi goikera chinga kichabono marogoba yaragire chinsa ikomi chabono marogoba leterane nkoro ko job maangi no koneke nga chibichechi boigo na maliogi abera wekera asenchera yoboikera no na Bigal Nyanchama nkwira nande asika ketere tambe imbingu bamanyana ralia ya abera weteka gagwateka korwa asemambi wekera bono marogoba. Mwanjumulele Ondizi TV na ukanda utobuate wetera sumtandao ito Facebook Ondizi TV News Digital asense meria ya YouTube Ondizi TV News na wetera sumtandao ito www.ondizitv.net astonyora chinsa emerongebere na inye amatuko atano nabere ye wiki karanso ike bengo kumanyia bunabere gagwateka ase abakenya baenda tukurwa ebirengero byabo kubwateka na nogochora kumurai bwense asabete gagochora lituko leigoro abawaziri ikomi nomo abo barabe bakoba ase kamati area yaba waziri ensemo yaba menyi korwa asorogongo ruagusi nigo bandrete korwa ebirengerelyo byabo ase babeire bagweso kibene na komo akirambya mono umuraywense Dr. William Ruto ase okomochora Julius Ogamba migosi otigotenenera ewizara yekisemi eyo yalengi gotenenerwa noyo kabeire bose omubunge onyaribali masaba naboigo oyobete ase ekirogo kyo machogu ase kolende baba bakomotogia anene mono kubwatekananga ni gomigosi abwate ekerengo kigoro ye chisemi
acho to monto rete light pass ni monto muyamsa oranyale ko sukiyo mugusiane nane namara kiroge chisemi na kenyale to bwato kwegena na migosi igwikata mbokia abakenya kitaraja kionsi asa magana ye giseme igono mondo chore tu mondo mungairi kigima indu toko pongesa no mugusi no nanyare gashi tumata no mondo ro muyo murabuse ngoro ndabusi no mondo bw'abantu ebrese nibyo kwato mwerede gasi ntutuma eto to bwade mani nere wikatu tamboki oboraro ase minutiri ya made giseme na chiko korabu yamono kubwati chimbaratero chori orengorro umusike isekeri machogo igongo tebya bagusiba mintu mwanya gitenga simwabeta ineri bagali ya president ya toire gocha gusiga iga aso mwana mintu migosi ogamba tomoe support etakeire neraro skise micheito cya gusi abana baito naritora nyaro bugimo buya gwa mambia gwa masomo abara baito bagusi ase mwabeta igongo basabanga ingaki yarege ya machago mwabwato kumusanana yonko basabange ngakiye bono ya migosia irwe kirogo kimoranje mochemo totware omunuo yo mubuna bagusi na into turanyora masikani ase bisa kubinde
na irane irie president yeto nambia mono asogo chora oyo minto migos gono mo CS omugusio mugimote birembe ya mono na endembe ya mono egento nale go saba asabara iba minto bagusi wate simigosi ase kirogeke mobe amonere nera tuwale chinguru chioko genderera age kongye ekeroge kenekia
togoska bosionigo ekiombege kwegerera obwene bwabaliki bamangana maya Media Council of Kenya kyabeire gego saba obotuki kwayiririwa anene mono elinde kwirira ege tambo kerio egati yabanyanyimbo abo babeire bagoterera abaliki bamangana maya obwene bwabo anemono chingaki bale kumulekera okorobekana ime yense yaito ya Kenya kagosanga nabaliki bamangana maya chingaki abagagutarira omuliki kurwa ase kampuni ya Media Max Catherine Wanjeri oyobete gakoraswa no munyanyimbo chinga kyari kumulekera okorobekana ni ngobo igo abagagwicyanira buna egetambo keronkero bose okugania nkoro ase egati yabanyanyimbo kobisa usaidi anemono kobwatekananga ningo obete gakorasa omuliki oyo ase abagusaba abaliki gochikogendera koba amo anemono ase ukurwanirira obwene bwabo na kumulekera egati yamangana busamangana onsi eserekali ekoba gego kora.
There have been efforts and attempts by the police to interfere with the investigations so that we can find out who is the exact person who pulled the trigger. It is regrettable that on one side the police keep issuing statements about how they support press freedom and how they won't let the media do their work. But while at the same time, members of the same service are attacking journalists for no reason at all and quickly engaging in major cover-up so that the individual policemen cannot be brought to account. We think that the only way to stop this impunity on attacks against journalists is to profile and identify the specific policemen who have engaged in these activities and have them held to account. So I challenge the Independent Police Oversight Authority, despite their challenges which they've stated publicly, to make sure that the policemen who are engaged in this act against the journalists and all those other policemen who have done the same, attacking journalists who are clearly identified and doing their job.
Togoskabosio ase ngana erengete ngana iyoko robekana nigomo konyi womurai wense Rigathi Gachagua abeire gagusaba abasa ebeke goligia jenzi koirangora ase okorobekana kwabo yenko bwatekananga nigo eserekali yabeire gekoigwa ebirero byabo kagosanga nabaegenwa anemono ase omuyega bwokumubeka ekerogo omo Bishop Samuel Karimi ime ye county ya Kirinyaga nigo boigo abaga kugikeria egati yabantu bale abasalia abo babeire bagoswanana nokorobekana wekegolikeria ya Gen Z.
Gen Z, my children, my sons and daughters, we have heard you. You have spoken clearly. What you have said needs no full stop or comma. It's clear. Lakini sasa mukitoka wakora wana hijack mambo yenu. Wezi wanaanza kuiba mali ya watu, si ndio? So we want to ask the Gen Z, you have spoken, we have heard you. Please don't allow your protest to be hijacked by criminals, people with the criminal intent to steal property, to destroy property. I think what you have said is now enough. You don't need to say anything more. Rais amesikia, serikali imesikia, kila mtu amesikia. Sasa wacha tuongoje action ile itaendelea, so that we don't get something that had good intentions hijacked by bad people, by people with criminal intent to take advantage, to loot property, to damage property, to cause mayhem. It is not right.
Kago sanga boigo ase omuyega oyunigo museneta bwe county ya Kiambu Karungo Vangwa aba gago saba ababunge gochigotegerera aba Kenya chingaki barabe bago etina kumulekera aba waziri babete bagochorwa lituko ligoro numurai bwense Dr. William Ruto elinde kwene kinga aba waziri barabe bagochorwa na kobekwa abisimbali baitabeire bose baitaberanete na aba Kenya.
Sema ama rais akitangaza majina ya mawaziri. Na mimi nashukuru sababu sote tuko pamoja. Na sasa ni jukumu ya wabunge. Wakipitisha yeyote yule waziri, wasikize raia kwanza. Si mambo ndio hayo? Raia wakisema hivi, musitake tuende maneno ya reject finance bill. Musiseme tuseme reject sijui what. Wakisema reject hiyo muna reject. Si ndio? Wakisema waziri huyo reject, wewe una reject na tunasonga mbele. Wakenya ni 50 million. Huyo akirejectiwa tunaleta mwingine. Huyo akirejectiwa tunaleta mwingine. Mpaka tulete yule wa mwisho ambaye nyinyi wote mtakubali. Ginyie hau. Si hapo ndio tuko. Kwa hivyo, lakini wale ambao wamerudishwa, labda wametoka eneo hili, sisi tuwaombee sababu sikusikia mtu akisema Kindiki must go, sikusikia mtu akisema Alice Wahome must go, sikusikia nikisikia mwingine akisema sijui Miano must go, sikusikia hiyo. Nilikuwa nimesikia moja tu hapo na yote tumetulia, Kenya yetu inaendelea.
Ensemo yaye omulike omonene bw'ekiama kia UDA Cleophas Malala nigo abeire gakorwa ukoburia gochia ase abarayi bakwamireria egetambokerio ky'omurayi bwense Dr. William Ruto n'omurayi bw'ekiama kia bose obomo bwa Azimio Raila Odinga anemono ase okorosia wekamati irabe gekoreta abawaziri korwa ase chinsemo chionsi che serikali nigabero abarayi bakwamireri getambokerio ekyokone kinga ngocha abare amo asokone kinga ense yaito ya Kenya ngochiere gotwara obomo.
Ningependa kuomba kiongozi wa Wiper ambaye ni Kalonzo Musyoka afanye kitendo cha uzalendo na ajiunge na viongozi wengine kuhakikisha kwamba tumeokoa Kenya yetu. Rais William Ruto ameweza onyesha ishara ya kutaka kuweka Kenya pamoja. Itakuwa makosa sana kama kiongozi wa hadhi ya Kalonzo Musyoka atajiunga na wale ambao wanataka nchi yetu ichomeke na isiwe na
utukarete asengana eyonigo abantu bose abateneneri byombe biria bikwegerera obwene bwa mwanya bantu emerongo ebere na bitano na bitatu babere bagwesokia bene na komochiana gokana chinkwana egati yomurayi bwense Dr. William Ruto nensemo ekwamereria serikali anemono asekerenga gyokorosia serikali rabege koleta abakenya bonsi amonigo baba batebanga mbali gochugwanchira nage tambukiro kende gyonsi kere mamincha ye richiko.
Fact, we have seen them putting aside their differences, and now they are talking to consolidate themselves and to preserve the status quo, in a sense that they are negotiating to eat on top of the dead bodies of our comrades that have been martyred by the state. So we hope that they will announce that government of national unity as they think. That will help us to mobilize on the streets on Tuesday.
Hakuna polisi hata mmoja amechukuliwa hatua, na ilhali hawa watu wote inajulikana waliuliwa na polisi. Mpaka wanapiga wanahabari risasi, wanapiga madaktari risasi. Hiyo ni serikali iko na utu kweli?
Hakuna. Afrika huru. Afrika huru. Afrika ya kijamaa.
Ensemo yabara ibechikanisa boigo ningo babeire bagwesokeria na bagwesokia boigo nago kwanera anene mono egetambokerio kyomurayi bwense Dr. William Ruto kobachora abawaziri ase entunda yende maega yokobuna ekamati yaba waziri baje nigo baba bagotebanga nigo bali maiso anemono ase boigo barabe bakomolekera abawaziri bali batigarete ase bosebali balabe bagochorwa gochia ase ekamati yaba waziri ase boigo babeire bagosaba ababunge kwene kinga ngokora bale emeremo yabo ase enchira yoboikeranu chinga kibarabe bakumulekera obokoleri bose barabe bakumulekera abarayi bare abawaziri abarabe bagoswa ase chiwizara ao.
The first batch of what is nominated, what the agency said has not been brought to us. It was because we never wanted old faces. We want technocrats and new faces in the new cabinet. As religious, when we were coming here, we were seeing that before we go quickly, let us see the second batch that is coming so that we shall make the conclusive statement, because when we hurry, maybe things that are coming will make things good. There is a process. Now this process, we need our parliamentarians now to do their work so that the first part, the President, His Excellency, has done. But we want now to face our eyes in Parliament. So our eyes now are there. Let them not meander. Let us give what can take Kenya ahead.
Ntumulilia Ondizi TV oroboti urulengete abarande bechikanisa notura chikwikira omweli obwa mangana maya chinsa chabono marugoba chinsa ikomi kulindikira chikuraga ensa chikonyora amangana ya asenchira yobo ikira netane kwa job maangine wakakwenda kinga chibichechi boigo na maliogi aberokera yowekera nabigal nyanchama yone kinga ngoyanyorole gwetera asenchira yomunwa wimanyererio Lydia Mose wikarachinga kichinde na baganeirie oburiria uya imeandizi TV na bobwanso bomugusi.
Ndizi TV obwansu bwomugusi. Omulyereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ly'obunchoria bwawo ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi eliobwekere abaligereria kurwa chikaunti sana na ibire echo kirasorogo nkoro